Pine nuts are not only delicious, but offer many health benefits for those individuals who consume them. They are packed with nutrition and healthy compounds, so do not need to be consumed in large amounts to obtain their health-promoting abilities. Now, let's discuss some of the incredible health benefits of consuming pine nuts regularly. First, pine nuts are incredibly nutrient-dense and offer many different types of nutrients. They are a great source of manganese, vitamin K, vitamin E, copper, phosphorus, and magnesium to name a few. Pine nuts are also a good source of healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats as well as fiber. Just be sure to consume them in moderation. Pine nuts are also considered to be very heart healthy and can reduce the risk of developing heart disease. They contain a unique compound known as pinolenic acid, which can help to lower bad LDL cholesterol. Pine nuts may also be able to help regulate blood pressure. As well, they contain many heart-healthy nutrients such as magnesium, vitamin E, monounsaturated fats, and fiber. Consuming pine nuts can also provide benefits for those individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the disease. Studies have shown that pine nuts can be especially helpful for those with type 2 diabetes, since they can help control glucose levels and provide benefits regarding blood lipids. Surprising to some, but pine nuts can also help to support healthy bones, keep them strong, and reduce the risk of developing bone ailments such as osteoporosis. This is often attributed to the high amounts of vitamin K pine nuts have. They also contain bone-healthy nutrients such as manganese, magnesium, and phosphorus. Lastly, consuming pine nuts in moderation regularly can help to improve the overall health and look of our skin. This is because pine nuts are high in skin-healthy nutrients and compounds that are vital for the skin, such as antioxidants, vitamin E, and other nutrients. Pine nuts also contain anti-inflammatory compounds, which in combination with their skin-healthy nutrients and compounds, can help the skin to look younger and reduce skin ailments. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.